Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to disable user account control settings. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to disable your user account controls pop-up settings, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to click on the start button and then just search for control panel. Simply search for this. Now here you have to make sure that view by is set it on category. Then you have to click on the system and security option. Now here you must see the option of change user account control settings. Just click on this and here you might see a slider with 4 different levels. So if you want to completely disable this, you just have to set slider on never and then click OK. And here you have to click yes. Now once you have done, you have successfully disabled user account control settings in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.